Hello my students, how are you? Prep 2. Today we'll solve from Moasser book, model number 5, first term. First question, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. 5 plus 7 root 2, subtract 4 plus root 2 equal. We can use the here commutative properties as associative to find the answer. Write 5, subtract by 4, plus 7 product by root 2, plus root 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 plus 1 equal 8. The result will be 1 plus 8 root 2. Choose letter C. Next question, number 2. What is the result of 5 power 2 plus 5 power 2? 5 power 2 is 25 and 5 power 2 is 25. The summation together equal 50. Choose letter D. Next question. We have 49 AP plus 14B power 2. We can write 7 head cofactor and B. 14 divided by 7 equals 7. EB divided by B equal A. 14 divided by 7 equal 2. B power 2 divided by B equal B. 7B times 7A plus 2B. Choose the answer here. 7A plus 2B. Choose letter B, the missing term or expression. Next question. The polynomial 16x power 2 subtract 40x plus k power 2 perfect square. The value of k equal. We know the third term is a perfect square equals the middle power 2 negative 40x power 2 divided by 4 product by first. 4 product by 16x power 2. 4 times 16 equals 64 x power 2 and 40 power 2 equals 16 and product by 100 1600 x power 2. We can divide it 1600 divided by 64. Result will be 25. Then k power 2 equal 25. You can find the value of k, positive or negative. Square root 25, it will be positive or negative 5. Shows letter C. Next question. X plus y plus 5x plus 7y plus 35 equivalent product two brackets. Find the value of a minus b. First step, we can factorize expression by divided two terms and two terms. Right, xy plus 5x in brackets and also 7y to 35 in the other brackets. We can write that cofactor between two terms here, xy divided by x equal y, 5x divided by 5. Right, 7y divided by 7 of y, 35 divided by 7 is 5. Next we have y plus 5 had cofactor also between two terms. Then we have y plus 5 times x plus 7, the product between two numbers. He give me x plus a equal y plus b. He give me this information from that the example up here. Okay, you can comparing. Look at here, x plus a and there x plus 7. Then x plus 7, then a equals 7, and y plus b here y plus 5, then y equal 5. We have x, y and a and y, not y, sorry, p. Comparing y plus b equal y plus 5, then b equal 5. At last, the value of a minus b equal a is 7 minus 5 equal 2. The result will be 2. Next question. Triangle C congruent triangle LMN. Measure of angle C is 90 degree. Measure of angle L plus measure of angle M equal what? Equal 90 degree also. We have right angle triangle at C, ACP congruent triangle LMN. C here equivalent to N. Look at here, C equivalent to N. Write N here and write LM. They are congruent, two triangle congruent. Measure of angle L plus measure of angle M, it will be 90 degree. Okay, because the measure of interior angle in a triangle equal 180. 90 plus 90 equal 180. Then L plus M equal 90 degree. Choose letter B. Next question. In the figure, we have three straight lines are parallel, and EP and EC are transversals of three line axis of symmetry. Here we have FD parallel to KA parallel to BC, and EF equal FK equal KB, then the length of ED equal DA equal EC. They are equivalent. We can divide 12 by 3 parts. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal 12. Then EE from E to E 4 plus 4 equal 8. The length here 8 centimeter. Choose letter B. Next question. If C is belonging to the axis symmetry of AB, then we have the same distance to the end point and start point. Okay. The ending of AB has the same distance to the point C, because C is belonging to straight line here which perpendicular to AB and bisect we call line axis of symmetry. Then we have the equality distance between CA and CB. CA equal CB, they are equivalent. Then the difference between them, CA and CB, will be 0. Then EC subtract by CB is equal 0. Understood? With letter A. We want to find here arithmetic mean. We know the arithmetic mean equals summation of frequency product by XM, center of any seats, divided by summation of frequency, equal 800 divided by 50. Cancel 0 by 0, and 80 divided by 50 is 16. The result will be 16. Choose letter A. Next question, second here. Answer the following question. Find a real number solution set of the equation number 1, x power 2 minus 11, equivalent to 5. Then x power 2 equal 11 plus 5 equals 16. Then value of x equal positive or negative square root of 16. Belonging to real number will be positive or negative 4. In solution set will be positive or negative 4. Number 2, x power 2 minus 15 equal 2x. Okay. X power 2 minus 15 equal 2x. You can let x power 2 negative 15 minus 2x equals 0. And then arrange x power 2 subtract by 2x minus 15 equals 0. We can factorize or entre brackets x power 2 equal x times x. 15 we can write 3 times 5. The greatest number will be negative and here positive. Okay. Then x plus 3 equals 0 or x minus 5 equals 0. Then the value of x here equal negative 3 and x also equal 5. It's belonging to real numbers. In solution set will be negative 3 and 5. We have two solutions here. Negative 3 and 5. Okay. Number 2, we have A and B. First step, we must simplest B because the denominator here expression, this expression root 3 plus root 2, a rational number, we can product by root 3 minus root 2, and here root 3 minus root 2. And the value of B equal root 3 minus root 2, and down product first by first and second by second. The result will be root 3 minus root 2 over 1. The result will be value of B equal root 3 subtract by root 2. Now we can find the difference. A minus B whole power 2. A equal root 3 plus root 2. Subtract by B. B equal root 3 minus root 2. You must write negative outside and write here root 3 minus root 2. We can write root 3 plus root 2. The distributive the sign here negative times positive negative, negative root 3, negative times negative positive, positive root 2, all power 2. We can cancel root 3 by root 3 and root 2 plus root 2 equal to root 2. All power 2. 2 power 2 is 4. Root 2 power 2 is 2. 2 times 4 equal 8. And the answer here will be 8. Okay. Next question. Factorize each of the following completely. We have number 1, L power 2 plus 8L subtract by 20. We can product between L and L. 20 equal 4 times 5. 4 times 5, 20. But he won't find summation between them equal. No. Don't use this because the difference between them not 8. I will write 10 and 2 because 10 times 2 equal 20 and difference between them equal 8. And the sign about 10 will be positive and here will be negative. Then we have L minus 2 times L plus 10. Next question number 2, b power 2 subtract by 4. We have the difference between two squared. Square root of the first times the second. 2 and 2, negative and positive. Factorizing this expression. Next question, letter B, use factorizing to facility. Find the value of each 7 power 2 subtract by 13 power 2. Each 7 power 2 subtract by 13 power 2. Equivalent, we can write each 7 equivalent to each 7 by each 7, negative 13 plus 13. We can find the difference here. 7 minus 3, 4, 8 minus 1, 7. And summation between them equal 100. The result will be 7,400. Next question. ABCD is a quadral where measure of angle B is 90 degree. AB was 9 centimeter, BC 12 centimeter. With that measure of angle DAC here, right angle triangle, and then find the area of the figure ABCD. Okay. First step in the example, we can find the length of FC from Pythagoras theorem, like this, such that in triangle ABC, measure of angle B was 90 degrees, and EC power 2 Pythagoras theorem, EC power 2 equal B power 2 plus CP power 2 equal, we have 144 plus 81. 8 plus 4, 5. 8 plus 1 plus 4, 5. 8 plus 4, 12. The result will be 225. Then EC equals square root of 225 equal 15 centimeter. Next, in the other triangle here, we have DAC. The side length is 8 and this 15 and here 17. He wants to prove that the measure of this angle 90 degree. How this? We can write such that CD power 2, the hypotenuse power 2, the longest side power 2, equivalent to 17 power 2, and also AD power 2 plus CA power 2 is equal to 17 power 2. You can find the answer here. 17 times 17, 289. And here 15 power 2 it will be 225, and DA power 2, DA was 8. 8 power 2 is 64. 4 plus 5 is 9. 6 plus 2 equal 8 and write 9. They are equivalent. Then CD power 2 equivalent to AD power 2 plus CA power 2. Then this triangle will be right angle triangle. Then measure of angle DAC is equal 90 degree. Then the area of triangle DAC, half times 2 sides of triangle, half times 15 times. Now I will find the area. Okay, pay attention my student. Yeah, about this triangle. We have 15 and 8. Half times 15 times 8 equals 60 square centimeter. It's the area of the first triangle. And area of second triangle, while down here APC, of triangle APC, half times base times height, half times 12 times 9. Half of 12, 6. 6 is this 6, not 9, 6. Half of 12, 6. 6 times 6, 36 square centimeters. This is the total area equals 60 plus 36. You can collect together. 6 plus 0 equals 6. And 6 plus 3 is 9. The result will be 96 square centimeter. Okay, again, area about 1, half of 12 is 6, not 9. Okay, and we have 15 and 8. 4 times 15 equals 60. And round 12, half of 12, 6. 6 times, is this 9? Oh, 9, not 6. I see it 9. Okay, never mind. It's 9. 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 times 9 is 54. 60 plus 54. Right, 4 and 6 plus 5 equal 11. Result will be 114. Okay, the area will be 114 square centimeter. Next question. Down here. This triangle, he wants to prove that, or find the length. He wants to find the length of DC. We can prove that by this example, such that in triangle ABC, measure of angle A equal 90 degree. D is the midpoint. Of BC. Then AD is the median. We called it the median. Okay. Then AD equal half of BC. He wants to find the length here of AD. Okay. First, also we have D is the midpoint. Then BD equivalent to DC, and also BD equal DC. Then 2x minus 3 equivalent to 3x minus 8. 2x subtract from 3x equal x, and 8 minus 3 is 5. Then x equal 5. If x equal 5, you can find the length of BD. BD equal 2 times x times minus 3. Okay, 2 times 5 minus 3. Put the value of x here equal 5. 2 times 5, 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Then DB equals 7 centimeter. And AD will be also equal 7 centimeter, because AD half of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse 14. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Okay, understood? We can prove this example or find the measure of angle BCD. We know the sum of exterior angle of any polygon equal 360. Then you can solve this example by the relation. We have 4A plus 4A also 8 to 5. We have 5A, 3A, and 4A. The sum of them equals 360. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 3 equals 16. 16 plus 4 equals 20. 20A equal 360. We can divide it by 20 to 7. DCB 180 subtract by 4A, because two angles here supplementary angles. DCB plus DC مثلا here it will be the summation of them equal 180 degree. Okay, we have straight angles. Then supplement is of 4A. Right, 180 subtract by 4 times 18. Right, 180 subtract by 4 times 8 is 32. Write 2 and carry out 3. 1 times 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. And then find the difference. 10 minus 2 equal 8. And 7 minus 7 0. The result will be 108 degrees. This is measure of angle. Next question. He gave me the table down here. The following table shows the frequency distribution for arcs for 40 students in one test. Complete the table and estimate the arithmetic mean and find the number of students whose marks are not less than 35. Listen. First step, we can find here the answer. 3 plus 12 is 15. 15 plus 15 is 30. Then missing a number here will be 10. Okay, we can write here 10. Up here we can write 25. Understood, my students? Complete the table. Write here 25 up. In this place, write here 25, okay? And here write 10. Question number 1, complete 25 and 10. Then solution will be 25, intervals, and 10. Next, number 2, he want to find arithmetic mean. How we can find arithmetic mean? We must draw the table. To remember how to find the arithmetic mean, draw the table and divide it 4 parts. X and frequency, and center of each set, and product between frequency and the center of each set, like this. We have some information, 4 plates here. Write first X and frequency and center between any number, and then product between frequency and X. X here 5, 15, and then we can write 20. Here 10, 25. Look at with me, 35, 45, and frequency 3. I found here 10, okay? I found this place here 10, okay? My students 10 here. And then 12, write with me, 10, and the last one 5. The center 5 plus 15, 20 divided by 2 equal 10. Write 10. All the time he ate 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 3 times 10 is 30. 10 times 10, 20, 200. 12 times 30, it will be, write 0, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 1 equal 3. Write double 0 and 4, write 5, 5 times 5 is 25. We can collect 30 plus 200 plus 360. Collect all numbers here by calculator, okay? 30 plus 200 plus 360 plus 400 plus 250, 1240, and summation frequency is 40. Then X bar equals summation of frequency product by center of each sets divided by summation of frequency. Result here down 40 and 1240. The result will be 31. Then the arithmetic mean 31. Okay, it's the first question. Second question here, he want what? He want find the number of students whose marks are not less than 35. Here, not less than 35, we can 18 plus 5. Okay, 10 students and 5 students. The summation is then it will be 15 students. You understood? Because he asked about what? The number of students whose marks are not less than 35. Not less than, it's meaning more than or equal to. More than or equal to 35, we have 10 and 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay. Thank you. We must study hard, okay? Goodbye.